The Shiba Inu whale warning has recently provided unsettling information. Hundreds of billions were eradicated. Donald Trump perhaps orchestrates the most significant event in the history of cryptocurrency. All individuals are now holding their breath. The destiny of the cryptocurrency sector may be determined this evening. This video is vital and must not be overlooked. Thus, without any delay, let us go directly to the matter at hand. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. Today, an unpleasant revelation has emerged. What is the reason for your inquiry? Potential difficulties may be emerging for Shiba Inu. A substantial decline in its enormous transaction volume has been seen. On-chain data indicates that the transaction volume of Shiba by whales has decreased to below $500 billion in the last 24 hours, now resting at slightly over $365 billion. This fall may indicate substantial liquidity problems and the possibility of a price turnaround in the near future. The volume of substantial transactions has declined to a 7-day low, exacerbating the situation. A total of 15 transactions were documented, a significant deviation from the 7-day peak of 75 transactions seen last week. The decline in substantial transactions is a cause for concern. Substantial trades often signify whale activity, which may significantly impact the market. A reduction in these transactions indicates that major participants are retreating, either owing to diminished confidence or a change in market sentiment. This alteration may result in less liquidity, complicating the process of purchasing or selling large quantities of Shiba without affecting the price. Should this tendency persist, we may see a further decrease in Shiba's price, influencing the entire market dynamics. Furthermore, price charts indicate that Shiba's price movement has established a falling wedge pattern, suggesting possible difficulties ahead. This pattern often indicates the possibility of volatility and, in many instances, a bullish breakout if the price surpasses the top trend line. Nonetheless, Shiba's present circumstances depict a more intricate scenario. The price has been stabilizing and has difficulty in surpassing significant moving averages that serve as resistance levels. In this unpredictable environment, several individuals contend that the whole market is fundamentally awaiting Bitcoin. Bitcoin is approaching its prior all-time high, and many believe that significant market changes will not occur until Bitcoin surpasses this peak. What are the implications for Shiba Inu? Should Bitcoin surpass its all-time high, it may generate a surge of optimism and purchasing activity throughout the cryptocurrency market. This increase may elevate Shiba from its present decline and initiate favorable price movement. Nonetheless, should Bitcoin have difficulties in surpassing resistance or undergo a substantial correction, we may see sustained downward pressure on Shiba's price. The next days are deemed critical. If Bitcoin demonstrates resilience and surpasses its prior peak, a positive breakthrough for Shiba Inu may be anticipated, particularly if it ascends above its critical moving averages. If Bitcoin declines, Shiba may continue in its downward trajectory, trading at the bottom limit of its declining wedge. Investors must closely monitor Bitcoin's performance, since it is likely to influence Shiba and the wider market in the short term. Yesterday, a notable Bitcoin conference occurred with Donald Trump as a speaker. This is just what we needed. An enthusiastic user on X said, "Bitcoin, all stars aligned." A purchase signal has just emerged on the weekly timescale. Highly substantial. What an extraordinary era to exist. This excitement underscores the influence the symposium had on Bitcoin's market price and its general trajectory. The involvement of prominent individuals and the excitement around such events may influence market sentiment, elevating prices and fostering a bullish environment. If this favorable feeling persists, Bitcoin may surpass its previous all-time high and establish new milestones. This will certainly have a ripple effect across the whole cryptocurrency market, including Shiba Inu. Nevertheless, the cryptocurrency industry is notoriously unstable. Although the present signs are encouraging, it is essential to be vigilant and observe the developments in the next weeks. Given the positive perspective on Bitcoin, it is crucial to acknowledge the significant association between Shiba Inu and Bitcoin's price. When Bitcoin experiences substantial fluctuations, it often influences the whole cryptocurrency market, including Shiba Inu. As we see Bitcoin possibly surpass its all-time high and create upward momentum, this may effectively elevate Shiba Inu from its present decline and initiate a bullish trend for Shiba. Considering that, what can we anticipate next? An individual on X has presented some compelling insights on Bitcoin's recent performance. They emphasized the fluctuations in Bitcoin's price and market mood during and subsequent to Trump's address. At first, the price fluctuated about $63,000 with a pessimistic forecast. However, it escalated to $64,000, generating a euphoric ambience. Nevertheless, when it declined, the gloomy feeling re-emerged. This demonstrates the significant impact of price fluctuations on individuals' confidence. The user underscored that while the story is important, it is the pricing that influences attitude. They proposed that typical financial flows need time to adapt to such news, indicating that we should allow time for developments to occur. This viewpoint is especially pertinent for Shiba Inu. Similar to Bitcoin, Shiba's valuation and emotion are significantly affected by market movements and occurrences. Should Bitcoin exhibit positive momentum, it may result in revitalized interest and confidence in Shiba Inu, possibly elevating its price. Furthermore, the user suggested a stable atmosphere with less risk of adverse news from the present government, perhaps offering a safeguard for the cryptocurrency sector as a whole. If Bitcoin performs well, Shiba Inu may gain from the ensuing good emotion, given the observed trends. A significant rebound may well be imminent after a decline of almost 3% in the preceding week, and exceeding 4% in the last fortnight. Nevertheless, several experts anticipate a potential trend reversal. A chartist on X noted that Shiba has been trading inside a falling channel since early April, characterized by lower highs and lower lows, indicating a negative trend. He discerned a robust support zone at 0.10 and a resistance zone at 0.45. It is significant that Shiba is nearing the descending support line, which has often resulted in price rebounds. This may indicate that Shiba is at a pivotal juncture where a comeback might be forthcoming, instilling optimism for a positive shift in the immediate term. This research indicates that a breach above the 50-day moving average and the descending resistance line by Shiba might initiate a substantial rally towards the goal of 4.038. Achieving that aim would signify a remarkable rise of around 120% from Shiba's current trading price. This prospective increase is exhilarating for investors as it underscores the potential for a robust revival of Shiba Inu, contingent upon favorable circumstances. Complementing this optimistic feeling, statistics indicates a significant rise in the number of Shiba Inu bearers over time, reaching a zenith in late April. Despite price changes, the number of holders has remained largely consistent, signifying sustained interest and trust in Shiba from the investing community. This consistency indicates a robust foundation of long-term investors, which is promising for Shiba's future, even with price falls. The observed price volatility corresponds with the indicated descending channel, and the recent stability in the number of holders may provide a robust basis for a prospective price rebound. What is your perspective on that? Please leave a comment below. I would be keen to hear your perspective. The date is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.